feel the breeze in the summertime, stars in the sky, one.
Yeah, here we come.
गुड मॉर्निंग फैमिली, सैम RYZI हियर। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग गुड। तो आज हम एक न्यू हेयर कलर ट्राई करने वाले हैं। हम लोग अभी जाएंगे बोरीवली, जहाँ पे हेयर कलर होने वाला है। टुडे आई एम विद पल्लवी, आकाश। द फक। यस, सी या गाइस।
Take the next left onto our DEP road number 8.
Thank you, navigator.
Way to the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime, stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea.
Okay guys, so we have reached the salon and it's pretty good. We actually forgot वो tripod का holder, तो हम लोग कुछ जुगाड़ बैठाने वाले हैं इसके लिए। आकाश have some tricks in his sleeves, so let's see.
I'll make video on that.
DIY.
Yeah, no.
You should do it, bro. His channel is in description. Our second channel is in description. We got the stationery. Woo! What's up, bro? Say hi. Whoa, what is this?
Dry ice.
That's a dry ice.
So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah.
Oh, we have someone over here. What's up, shark? Do you know I'm gonna get a same color like your belly? What? What are you saying? It's gonna be good? Really? Great. Alright guys, finally it's gonna start.
Our days will never end, yeah, no. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that I'll fire, gotta love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
क्या है वो गन है क्या है?
हाँ, ये आया शॉट. What?
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime, stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink any bad by the ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end.
What's up guys? Finally the hair color is done and I'm so happy with the color. This is called pearl white. So black to pearl white transformation. Actually मैं आया था यहाँ पे सिल्वर या प्लैटिनम कराने के लिए जैसे मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था. But this I'm so happy. They recommended me personally कि आप pearl white कराइए and they did an excellent job. So guys, if you really want to get this hair color, I will strongly recommend you Style Lab. Please do come over here. I'm gonna put the address in the description. It's in Borivali. You're gonna really like the way they work. Service is excellent, I promise. Till then, see ya.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come.